Good morning guys, another week, another vlog. Ayan, ako ay papunta ngayon sa isang overnight activity namin sa office. Dumaan lang ako sa Starbucks to buy some coffee and I am now heading to San Mateo, Rizal. Give you updates of what I do weekly. So for now, magdadrive muna ako papunta sa San Mateo. I'll see you soon. I'll see you later. Bye.
To tell you guys to attend my cousin's wedding on Saturday. I like Dave. Here's my grandma, guys. Maganda tayong palabas. Lalagay lang natin ang ating. Ay, okay lang po dito. Hindi mo po. Sorry. Ito po. We're heading for this.
Ito kaya to.
Where's your teeth?
Kapunta tayo SM afterwards. May mga bibilhin lang. Then balik tayo ng hotel to prepare for our activity tomorrow. See you later. Okay guys, so we just checked in. So quick room tour of our room. This is the CR. Okay. So maliit na siya. Not enough for me. Until Tuesday. So near dito sa Pampanga. Come visit me. Let's go!
Kayo mag-bayad dun sa isa. Okay. Sige po.
Alright guys, so today is Thursday and hindi ako masyado nakakapag-video, masyado nakakapag-document dahil wala lang, sobrang busy, ang dami ginagawa ko gagawin. Nag-meeting kami until 10 p.m. So today is our third day of our training. Napunta pa lang ako kasi kakatapos ng aming board meeting naman. Okay, so yeah, that's it. I will see you again later siguro for any updates on what I do or what will I do today. See you guys.
Hindi ba yung nag-aagawan tayo? Alam mo kasi.
I am off to Sunday service, and after the Sunday service punta po tayo ng gym. This is not my fit for the day. Kailangan ko lang magsando kasi mainit papunta sa parking. So mag-change na tayo pag nasa kotse na tayo. So it's an update for our Sunday. See you guys.